depends on the starting point that you want on a creative level, I guess. So I think emotion will always be trumped by real humans than AI. But I think AI is going to get incredibly close at replicating it, but it relies on the initial source. Hello.
Oh, hi. Hello. You always do your weird.
Hello. It's like my podcast. Hello.
Is it? Nice. I like it.
It's because I feel a bit awkward. I just don't know what to do.
Yeah. It sounds like you're trying to be posh, like you're trying to replicate some book of 5 ways to sound like you speak proper English.
Are you saying I don't?
No, I'm categorically saying that you don't.
Rude.
Hello, welcome to the Hear Me Out podcast. We're a creative music agency helping brands use sound strategically. We've helped brands with a combined revenue of over £1 billion to use sound to unlock value that only sound can.
And in this 7th episode of our first series, we are going to be asking each other about a commonly held belief, mainly regarding sonic branding, but actually today we're going to flip it to sound, to music in general. And we're asking each other, is it true or false? Are they misconceptions? And in today's episode, we're going to be exploring whether AI-generated music can replace human-made music. We'll put a little sonic branding tilt on it, but I've had this conversation come up quite a lot in my LinkedIn messages recently, where people are trying to sell me like AI tools to create music. And as 2 music producers making a podcast, I think we probably have a lot to say about it.
Yes. But
rolling up my sleeves for those listeners.
Yeah, I suppose it really comes down to how it helps brands as well, is something that we should be bearing in mind in this. Because obviously we are coming at it from what could be construed as a romantic perspective. And as we say to a lot of people, sound is a tool that can unlock value that only sound can.
Yeah.
So we try to not romanticize the use of sound, the effectiveness of sound for brands. So I also don't think we can romanticize AI's impact on that.
Yeah. I think we should talk very practically and very...
I am an AI generated version of me now. I'm not actually here. So it's been pretty helpful for freeing up some time.
Yeah. I wonder why you look dead behind the eyes.
Yeah. Well, it's just 2 years of you, isn't it?
Really mean. I felt really mean saying that. I retract it all.
It's 2 years of you.
Sorry.
It's the business.
Exactly.
You're grinding me down. So let's, maybe we should start doing maybe we should start doing a yes or no at the beginning and seeing if it changes at the end. So do you think that is a misconception? Do you think AI will replace human-made music?
I think it's a misconception. I don't think AI will ever...
So you say it is a misconception. You're saying yes at the beginning. I'm also saying yes at the beginning. So do people really care that much about the quality of the music that is associated with their brand? We obviously care a lot about it, but the biggest issue with AI for me is that it all sounds a bit lame and it all just sounds a bit lifeless and uninspired.